TradingView is an easy-to-use platform that helps you track stocks, charts, and trends in real time. You can follow expert traders, share ideas, and analyze the market all in one place. Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up your trading, it's a great tool to help you make smarter decisions. Plus, it's free to get started. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use TradingView complete guide for beginners. The first step that you have to do right now is just open your browser and dive into tradingview.com. This is the homepage as you can see. Firstly, let's know what is TradingView. TradingView is a user-friendly platform where you can track stocks, view live charts, and analyze market trends. It's perfect for beginners and experienced traders alike, offering tools to make smarter trading decisions. Plus, it's free to start using. Alright. So right now we have a various information that you have to know about this platform, which is TradingView. So all you have to do right now is just click over here and the top right, you click over get started. You will find another page which is this one as you can see. Signing up and start your inscription, you click over here and sign up as you can see. But before we have here some package that you will need to get started with this platform, which is TradingView. The first package we have here essential. You have to pay $13 per year per month, and which is $156 per year. All right. So we have the features here, which is 2 charts per tab, 5 indicators per chart, 10,000 historical bars, 20 price alerts, 20 technical alerts, 10 parallel chart connections, no ads, volume profile, custom time frames, custom range bars, multiple watch lists, bar replay, and indicators on indicators. All right, so this is for this one, and right now we have the second one, which is plus, and you have to pay $25 per month. And also we have a try free for 13 days for each one. So we have here 13 days, it's for free. And about the features of this one, you have 4 charts per tab, and about the first one you have only two charts. Then you have 10 indicators per chart, 10,000 historical bars, 100 price alerts, 100 technical alerts, 20 parallel chart connections, no ads, volume profile, custom time frames, custom range bars and multiple watch lists, bar replay, indicators on indicators, chart data export, intraday Rinko. Then you have chart based on custom formulas. Then you have also here the last one, which is premium, and you have to pay $50 per month, which is $600 per year. And we have here 8 charts per tab. It's more than the second one, the first one. 25 indicators per chart. We have 20,000 historical bars, 400 price alerts, 400 technical alerts, 50 parallel chart connections, no ads, volume profile, custom time frames, custom range bars, multiple watch lists, bar replay, indicators, chart data export, intraday, chart based on customer formulas, time price, opportunity, volume, footprint, auto chart patterns, and other things. You have just to read it and you choose the package that you want. If you want to get started for free, you click over here at the top right, or you can just right now choose also if you want the professional one or the non-professional one. No professional one, we have it here. The professional one, we have it here. Once you click over professional, it's gonna be like that. So we have here expert and ultimate. About the expert, you have to pay 20 or $200 per month, and which is $2,400 per year. And also about ultimate we have $500 per month, which is $6,000 per year. All right, so you have just to get started right now as soon as possible. Right now, let's just click over sign up in the top right. You have to choose one of these options, which is Google, or you choose also Facebook, Twitter, have Yahoo, Apple, and LinkedIn, or you can just click over here to add your email, and you click here your confirmation of that you are now robo, and you click over create account. So we already have an account, that's why I will just click over sign in here, and then I will choose here, for example, this one, and I will just add my email address, and I will get started with the homepage of TradingView, and you will find it like that. Let's just come back right now to the top or to the homepage, and then you'll find this page. I will just click over here and the top left, and there we have how it looks right now. So for example, We have here Android first information. Also, we have here other things here. All right. So let's just search right now for the home page of this. So we will have how it looks, as you can see, and we have a first thing that I will show you right now. But first, let's know what we're gonna do after signing up. Once you sign up for TradingView, you can start by exploring the main dashboard, where you will see a variety of shares and stock tickers. Simply search for a stock or asset in the search bar, and the chart for the asset will appear. You can customize the chart with different indicators, time frames, and drawing tools to analyze trends. You can also follow other traders, join discussions, and even share your own insights. It's all super intuitive and great for both beginners and pros. Alright, so right now here we have in the left other information such as or other options such as cross. We have a trend line, fib retracement pattern, long position, brush, text, icon, then we have measure, zoom in, we have magnet mode, stay in drawing model, then or mode, or we have also here look all drawings, then we have hide all drawings, and we have also here remove object. And the right we'll find here alerts, data window, object tree and data window, my ideas, shots, ideas stream, then we have notification, screeners, and calendars. Then we have help center. Also, to get started, you have just to click over here. For example, about this one, I will just start expecting. I will just select if I want dot, row, eraser, or matrix. I will just select here this one, and I will just here, for example, select. Let's just here select this one, as you can see. So I will just select this one, as you can see. I will put it like that, and I will make here for this one. So let's just alright, so right now I will just here expect if it's gonna be sell or buy. I will just click over buy, and then you choose here, you connect with draw or our trusted posters if it's paper trading, easy market, bybit, and also ice market and other things. Alright, also we have here if we want this option of add symbol, if we want gold and bitcoin and other things. We have here also advanced view and settings. We have here, and this is as you can see. And also in the top you'll find here, for example, if you want a camera here or take a snapshot, full screen mode, chat settings, we have quick search, and we have here manage layout, and we have here all changes saved. And also you click over here if you want to, for example, this one or this one, and you will have symbol for a switch on interval as well, time and data range. Then we have also here, for example, for a campaign, you click over here, reply, alert. Then we have also here indicator templates, and we have also here indicators, metrics, and strategies, candles. Then we have also here 1 day, and then we have compare or add symbol. So TradingView is a powerful yet user-friendly platform that makes tracking stocks, analyzing trends, and sharing trading ideas easy for everyone. Whether you are just starting or have experience, it provides all the tools you need to make smarter trading decisions with its interactive charts and vibrant community. It's a great resource to level up your trading game. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.